Hey guys, let's see today how to send a message with a spotlight effect on iPhone on latest iOS version. So for guys, just go to message app, and from here guys, you can just find someone which you want to send any message with a spotlight effect. So let's example, I wanted to send to my dad, and from here guys, just type it could be any like a normal text, yeah, it could be any like emoji also, yeah, it could be like any stickers. So as you wish guys which you want to send. So let's example, I want to send any normal text with I wanted to add some spotlight effect on iPhone. So guys, let's example, I wanted to send some normal text message. So let's example head, yeah, and guys, if I press this arrow button, then automatically this message sent with normal like text, but I wanted to add some spotlight effect. So for that guys, just press and hold, and from here just pop-up screen will appear, and from that guys just go to a screen tab and just swipe left until you will get the spotlight. So you can see a send with a spotlight message will appear. So this way now you can send this message. Yeah, here you go. So guys, this message automatically sent with the spotlight effect to my dad. So guys, this way you can send any text message to anyone with the spotlight effect. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like subscribe my channel. Thank you.